Hello everyone, welcome to the DigiSchool Media Project. I am Akriti Himire and I'll be your guide throughout this exciting journey. The Media Project is more than just another assignment. It's your chance to transform everything you have learned in the classroom into a real world project. It's an opportunity to think creatively, solve problems, and showcase your skills. Each student will create a unique project based on the given topic. Now, here's why this project matters. The Meteor project carries 35% of your final academic evaluation, making it one of the most important assessments of the year. And here's the exciting part. You are not just submitting your project to your school, you'll be competing with students from more than 200 Digi school partner schools across Nepal on a national platform. One important reminder, submitting your Meteor project is mandatory for every student. Before diving into the project, let's understand important guidelines for Meteor project. यो गाइडलाइन्स फलो गर्नुभयो भने तपाईको प्रोजेक्ट राम्रो मात्र होइन इभ्यालुएसन क्राइटेरिया अनुसार पनि स्ट्रङ हुनेछ त्यसैले सबैभन्दा पहिले के गर्नु हुँदैन भन्ने कुरा बुझौँ प्लेजरिजम इज स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड स्कुलवर्क्स प्रोमा प्रत्येक प्रोजेक्टको प्लेजरिजम चेक हुन्छ इन्टरनेट एआई क्लासमेट्स वा कुनै पनि सोर्सबाट डाइरेक्ट कपी गरेको प्रोजेक्ट रिजेक्ट वा डिस्क्वालिफाई हुन सक्छ प्रोजेक्टमा अफेन्सिभ डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल हेटफुल र इनअप्रोप्रिएट इमेजेस ल्याङ्ग्वेज भिडियोज र कन्टेन्ट प्रयोग नगर्नुहोस् एआईलाई हेल्परको रूपमा मात्र प्रयोग गर्नुहोस् प्रोजेक्टको मेन आइडियाज अन्डरस्ट्यान्डिङ कोडिङ डिजाइन र क्रिएटिभिटी भने तपाईँको आफ्नै हुनुपर्छ प्रोजेक्ट गाइडलाइन्स इन्स्ट्रक्सन्स र सबमिसन रिक्वायरमेन्ट्स स्ट्रिक्टली फलो गर्नुहोस् गाइडलाइन्स फलो नगरेमा असेसमेन्टमा असर पर्न सक्छ पर्मिसन बिना पर्सनल कन्फिडेन्सियल र सेन्सिटिभ इन्फर्मेसन जस्तै फोन नम्बर पासवर्ड्स पर्सनल डेटा आदि प्रोजेक्टमा इन्क्लुड नगर्नुहोस् incomplete, non-functional वा डेडलाइन पछि प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट नगर्नुहोस्. Now let's look at the grade 9 media project. In this project, you'll take on the role of an IT consultant for Nova Breeze Solutions, a mid-sized logistics and operations company. Your objective is to analyze the company's current network, identify its limitations, design and improve network infrastructure, and propose a practical design solution to enhance its daily operations. This project consists of 3 major tasks. Task 1 focuses on evaluating and auditing the existing network and it is divided into 2 parts. In part A, network performance test. You need to perform a network speed test, record the download speed, upload speed and ping. Identify the current network type and internet connectivity, include screenshots of the test results and write a brief summary of your findings. In part B, topology and technology audit. You need to identify the current network topology, explain how it works, analyze its limitations, compare 2 alternative topologies, and recommend whether a wired, wireless, or hybrid network would be most suitable choice supported by clear justification. Task 2 requires you to design an upgraded network. You will recommend a suitable topology, explain why a client-server model is better than the existing peer-to-peer network, create an internet connectivity plan, justify whether the network should be wired, wireless or hybrid, and prepare a clearly labeled network topology diagram. Task 3 focuses on designing a digital solution and presenting your findings, and it is divided into 2 parts. In part A, digital solution design, you need to do a case study and identify a real-world problem within Nova Breeze solution. Propose a practical digital solution, create a sketch, wireframe or flowchart, prepare a testing plan, explain how user feedback will be collected, and suggest future features that could further improve the solution. In part B, presentation plan. You need to prepare a 1-page outline explaining how you would present your report to the management. Include the structure of your presentation, the tools or software you would use, and how you would confidently handle questions from the audience. Finally, compile your work into a professional report by including all the required sections such as the cover page, acknowledgement, abstract, table of contents, introduction, all 3 tasks, and a conclusion. Save the report as a PDF and submit it through Schoolworks Pro. Now, let's take a look at the sample solution shown on the screen. This report follows a professional structure beginning with the cover page, acknowledgement, abstract, table of contents, and introduction. These sections provide a clear overview of the project and meet the report requirements. In task 1, the existing network is thoroughly analyzed using a network speed test, topology, identification, limitation analysis, and a comparison of different network topologies. The report explains why the current setup affects the organization's productivity and provides well-supported recommendations. In task 2, the sample solution proposes an upgraded network using a star topology and a client-server model. It includes an internet connectivity plan, compares wired, wireless, and hybrid networks, and justifies why a hybrid network is the best choice. The report also features a clearly labeled network topology diagram showing all departments, devices, and network connections. In task 3, part A begins with a case study that identifies a key problem within Nova Bridge solutions and explains who is affected. It then proposes the NovaBreeze intranet portal as the solution, highlighting its key features through a wireframe, along with a testing plan, user feedback strategy, and future enhancement. In Part B, the report includes a professional presentation plan outlining how the complete project will be presented to the management team. Finally, the report concludes by summarizing the key findings, recommendations, and learning outcomes, making it a complete and well organized professional consultancy report.